Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we are going to solve problem 2, which is TypesDemo. In this task we were asked to create a file called types.java, and then inside of types.java, inside a method, we need to declare 4 variables of type integer, double, boolean, and a string. We can initialize them with any value of our choice, and then we also should declare at least one variable of type var, and then we can assign a value to it, and then we print all the variables in one line and separated by spaces. We should also add a commented line of code, which is an invalid code, and then we need to explain the reason why it is invalid. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a file here in VS Code, then it's gonna be types.java. Okay, so just save it, and then VS Code will automatically generate the class for you. So inside of here I'm gonna type psvn to generate the main method. Now inside the main method I'm going to declare 4 variables of type integer, double, boolean, and a string. Alright, as you can see, I have created 5 variables here. The first is a type of an integer year, which I assigned 2025, and then I also declare a double and also initialize it with value, same as the boolean is active, and then full name, I put my full name there, and then also a type infart variable, which is age here, and I assign it 28. So what the compiler will do is it will look at the value that you're trying to assign to it, and then it will use that value and then determine the type of this variable. So in this case it's gonna be an integer, since 28 is an integer. Alright, so we also need to add one commented line of code and then explain the reason why it is invalid. Alright, so here is my solutions for that. I have declared a variable called count and assigned a string to it. So the reason why this is invalid, because they are incompatible types. You cannot assign a string to a variable or a constant which is declared as an integer. So the next is we need to print all the variables in one line and then separated by spaces. Alright, I've added a print statement to print the variables and also add a space in between them and a single line. So let's run this program. Yes, so as you can see, we've run the program. We can see the year, and then after the year we have a space, and also we have our account balance, and we have a space.